Okay, now this is paper 2, right? Question 1. Okay, if the cones are placed this way, there are 15 of them. Now in between, this is a space of 80 cm, right? If there are 15, one at the beginning, the 15 at the end. Now at the center here, between two cones, there will be 80 cm. There will be 14 of them, right? 80 times 14 is 1120, and the cone, the width of the cone is 25 cm times 15. There are 15 cones total. So you add these two together, you should get the distance, the length of the running track. Next, wow, a fraction when multiplied by 4, right? This should be easy, but just hang on first. You must have something multiplied by 4. This is what you need to think. Then subtracted from 2 over 3. Right? It means this whole thing being subtracted from 2 over 3. Right? It's not this whole thing minus 2 over 3, but 2 over 3 minus this thing gives you 7 over 9. Digest over it, right? Think over it. This is what it means. Okay? Important note is like that. Okay, now what you need to do, you from here, this is one number. This number minus this number gives you this. Now, important to note is this. It's just like 6 takes away 2 gives you 4. Now, in order to get 2, you must say 6 minus 4 gives you 2. Right? You reverse it. 6 minus 2 gives you 4. 6 minus 4 gives you 2. So same here. Just like 6 minus 2 gives you 4. In order to find this, answer for this 2 is 6 minus 4 gives you 2. Okay, the concept is the same. Now I work out this thing over here. This one is worked out to be this. Alright, get the improper fraction. This one, get the improper fraction, is equal to, alright, this one here. Now let's carry on. After getting that, the improper fraction is 8 over 3. We are going to make the denominator the same. Right? This is 16 over 9. So convert 3 to 9. So you times 3 times 3 is 24 over 9 minus 16 over 9 gives you, right, this one, 1 times 4 over here. Now work out this is 8 over 9. 8 over 9 is equal to this, something times 4. Right? Now from here I move out. So something times 4 is 8 over 9. This something is 8 over 9 divided by 4. Right? Or it is divided by 4 over 1. Okay, see it very carefully. Divide by 4 over 1. So you change this into multiply. Okay, it is 8 over 9 multiplied by 1 over 4. You get 8 times 1, which is 8. 9 times 4, 36. Right? Divide both by 4, you get the smallest, simplest form. Okay, fraction. Please look through this, pause here, look through here, and understand. Right? It is quite simple actually. Right, let's carry on. 3/8 of a number is 24. 3/8 of a number is 24. Now this is very familiar. Now what is 4/5 of the number? Now it means this number, once you found this out, alright, then you take 4/5 times the answer, the number. Okay, so from here to find this box, you take this box, you say 24 divided by 3/8. Okay, 3/8 times this number is 24. To find this number, you take 24 divided by 3/8. Right, you work it out, you should get 64. Alright, so it is actually 3/8 times 64 give you 24. Now you work it out. It is 64, right? So 4/5 times 64. It says what is 4/5 times 64? So you work it out is, right, this 4, okay, times 64 over 5, right? The answer is 51.2, which you use calculator to that. Next, this is straightforward. Triangle X, Y, Z below is not drawn to scale. Find its area. The base is, this is the base 30. The height is 6, right? Half times 30 times 6 is 180. 180 divided by 2 is 90. Next, the sum of money was shared among Muthu, Nadia, and Oliver, M and O, right, in the ratio of 7:3. I work out this way, all right. I work out this way: 7:3:2, 7:3:2, according to their names, all right. They just jump it up, right? It means this is 7 units, 3 units, and 2 units. Look at the blue one only. Now, Muthu's share was 756 more than the total share of Nadia and Oliver. Now, look here. Oliver and Nadia, if you add them together, it means you put Nadia over here. 3 units, put the 2 units over here is 5 units. The total of Oliver and Nadia is here. Okay, compared to Muthu. Muthu is all the way here. Now the difference is this, right? Is what is said over here. 756 more. If 756 is over here, which is the difference, is 2 units. Okay? Now you can find 1 unit. 2 units is 756. 1 unit is 378. Okay? So you have 1 unit is 378. Now, what is the question? The question is, how much was the sum of money, the overall, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the blue boxes, they are 12 units. So total is 12 times U. 12 times 378 is 4536. Right, next, these numbers are arranged in this pattern: 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, and so on. Right, now take a look here. This means this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and so on until the 62nd number, right? Until the 62nd number, and in this pattern. Now, what is interesting is like this, the pattern is like this: 2, 4, 1, 3, one set, 2, 4, 1, 3, another set, and so on. You're going to plus all this number together and find out what is the total until the 62nd number. Now let's take a look. One set here is 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 gives, there are 4 numbers, right? These 4 numbers, all right, 4 numbers are included in this 62. It means inside these 62 numbers, there are 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, many sets of them. And the value, it means when I plus this 2 plus 4 plus 1, 3 is 10. Okay, this is called one set is 10. See, one set, total is 10, total is 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Okay. Now, we count up to 60 first. We don't bother about this, the other 61st and 62nd number. We count until the 60, right? Now, one set is 4 numbers. Take 60 divided by 4. We found out there are 15 sets actually. 15 sets. One set is 10. 15 sets is 15 times 10. The value of these 15 sets of number is 150. Okay. Now, take a look here. If the value is 150 of the 60 numbers, 15 sets, which is a 60th number, okay, the value when you add them up is 115. Now the 61st number, which is counted this way, the 60th start from 2, right? 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 3. So you 60th is the value is 150. You plus 2 plus 4 together is 156. Answer is 156. Of course, if you have 63rd number, you plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. If you have 64, then you plus 3. This is what it means. The 60th number, the value add up together is 150. You add 2, you add 3, total is 156. Let's carry on. Now, X and Y were sacks of rice with the same mass. Watch out, same mass, it means X and Y over here, the, what do you call that, the size, can you see from here to here, all the way from here to here, it's the same size as Y from here to here. This shows that they have the same weight, same mass. Alright, now X was repacked into 3 equal packets. Look here, 1 packet, 2 packet, 3 packets. Okay, the same size as Y divided into 3. Alright, now for Y is packed into 5 equal packets, so you just cut them into 5 equal packets. Now take a look at this. You just cannot really calculate them or do something with them if it's divided, this one 3 parts, this one 5 parts. The common denominator which you need to know, right? This is called 1/3, this is called 1/5. So the denominator using 3 and 5, the common denominator is 15. This is something you must know. Why? So that I can on the top divide them into 15 parts, okay? And if you see the black part, which is 1/3, 1/3 out of 15 is 5, okay? 5 out of 15, okay? 1/3 of 15 is 5 of 15, another 1/3, 5, another 1/3, 5. For this case is 1/5. 1/5 of 15 is 3, alright? Subdivide into 3, 3, 3, 3, add up to 15. So take a look. X will have 15U, Y also 15U, right? And their parts is being regrouped this way. Out of this 15U is divided in groups of 5. Okay, so this is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 5 units, smaller units. And this one out of 15 is divided into 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Understand this was very important. Next, the total number of units is 30. Okay, the total number of units is 30, you know. Now, how can I find 1 unit? Remember, in anything you do, find 1 unit. Okay, now let's take a look here. The clue is here. Each packet of X was 630 grams heavier than each packet of Y. Okay, take a look very carefully. Now, if you see very carefully here, I'm going to move this thing up a little. Now, one packet of X is here, and one packet of Y is here. Now, this here 5, actually I translate from here 5, and this 3 translate into here. The difference between the 5 and 3 is 2U. Okay, now the hint is given. What is the value of 2U here? The value of 2U is 360, right? And click it out again. Look, 360 is the difference. 360 heavier. Look here, this one, this 2 is 360 heavier than this, which is this one, 2U. So now I'm able to find 2u, I'm able to find 1u. 2u, 360. 1u is 360 divided 2 is 315. Easy? Right? Take your time. Now, what is the question? Total mass of the two sacks of rice. It means this 15u, these 15u. Right? Total, there are 30 u's. Right? All you have to do, take 30 u's times 315. 30 u's times 315, which is 9,450 grams. Next. Sarah bought 2 blouses and 6 dresses for $720. Each blouse costs 3/4 as much as each dress. How much did each dress cost? Now look at the look at the relationship first, very important for just one dress and one blouse. When they say 3/4, it means the blouse is cheaper. Now the dress got 4 parts, but the blouse is 3 parts out of the 4 parts of the dress. Can you see? 4 units, 3 units. This is the relationship of one dress, one blouse. Okay, once you get this, you are able to determine that one dress is 4 units, one blouse is 3 units. Now next, if you have 6 dresses, okay, you take 4 units times 6. Can you see? One dress is 4 units. 6 dresses you times 6 gives you 24. Now 2 blouses, one blouse is 3 units. 2 blouses is 3 units times 2, which is 6 units. Right? So for 6 dresses and 2 blouses, total, okay, you add together is 28 units. Please understand this part first before you go on. You may pause the video now. So 28 units. Alright, let me check first. Sorry, this is not 28 units. My mistake. This is 30 units. Right? 24 plus 6 is 30 units. That's why I got this 30 units. Now 30 units is 720. How do you know? Look here. Everything. 2 blouses, 6 dress. 2 blouses, 6 dress is 720. Alright? 30 units. Sorry, over here 30 again. This one 30 units. Right? 30 units is 720. Okay, now let's go down again. 30 units, 720. 1 unit is this 24. So to find one dress is 4 units. Dress you got 4 units. 4 times 24 is $96. Next. Now this looks very complicating, but I want you to take the time and spend some time to develop and to understand. Pause here. Okay, I'll be going through very simply and just once. The mass of a bottle when it is 2/3 filled with oil is 9 kg. Now you must understand this. This whole thing is the weight. Okay. Now this is the weight of the bottle. When the liquid is filled up to here, let me get a special color, right? Okay. When the liquid is, the bottle has a weight, right? The liquid is filled all the way up here to here. Okay. It is 2/3. How do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/3. Okay, now how do you get this 6? Can you see? Right, this one. 2/3, 5, 6. Now 6 and 3, common denominator 6. Therefore, the weight of the bottle and the weight of the oil I put into 6 parts. If you fill up to 2/3, okay, 1/3 plus 1/3, which is 4/6, okay, the weight is 9 kg. Right, now watch the next part. If you fill up the bottle all the way to 5/6 now, 5/6, all the way 5/6. Now what's the difference here? 2/3 is here, is 4/6. 5/6 is just one more unit square, right? That is the difference. They say if it's 2/3 more, the weight now will be, sorry, if you say the one more unit, okay, this is 5/6, look here slowly here, 5/6 more than 2/3, which is this part. Okay, this part they say is 2 kg. Can you see? How do you know 2 kg? Take 11 kilograms minus 9 kg gives you 2 kg. So that one unit here is 2 kg. Every one unit is 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg. Okay, the bottle we do not know, but we know this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and this one must be 2. Okay, this to fill up the last one is the full bottle. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now if it's over here is 11 kilogram, to fill up this 2 kg more, it means the full bottle will be 13 kg. Now same here, if I fill up here, which is 9 kg, okay, I fill up here, which is 9 kg, bottle all the way, the oil unit fill up the 9 kg, I got 2 more units to fill up. These 2 more units is 2 kg plus 2 kg. 2 kg plus 2 kg. 9 plus 2 plus 2 is 13 also to fill up. I can't explain to you in a much simpler term, but please take a look at the drawing, understand it yourself. If not, come and see me personally. Alright? Your parents may be able to understand this better and maybe explain to you by seeing the this picture here. Now I'm going to take out all the colors, right? I'll take out the colors, you scroll it down. So the bottle plus 5/6 plus 1/6, okay? It was shown that bottle plus 5/6 of oil is 11 kg. Now 1/6, which is 2 kg here, which is also here 2 kg. Right? These 2 units are here, 2 kg, 2 kg. Right? At first 11 kg, you can see 11 kg plus 1/6, which is 2 kg. So a full bottle should be 13 kg. Now this one, be very careful. If AH is the height of the triangle ABC, triangle ABC is ABC, this triangle, this whole thing. If AH is the height, then this CB must be the base. Okay, base will be CB or BC. Right? Take a look here. You don't know yet. Here, there's no number over here. You must find out from this and this. You must find out what this measurement is. Okay, now this 8 over here is the height, right? BC is the base, right? But the height is 8 here, so there's no measurement here. All you have to do is state that the base is BC. Now next is find area of triangle ABC. Take a look. Area of triangle ABC, the height is 8, the base is 25, right? So you take base 25, height is 8, half times 25 times 8, you should get the answer as 100 cm squared. Next. Now in the school, the ratio of the number of students who wear spectacles to the number of students who do not wear spectacles is 5:9. 5 wear spectacles, 9 don't wear spectacle. Alright, so look at the relationship. 5 wear spectacles, see, specs. 9 don't wear. Now, of course, the difference, 9 units, 5 units, difference is 4 units. Now, they've given you this hint. 976 more than those who wear spectacle. 976 for those who wear more than those who wear spectacle. And I can see 976 lands on 4 units. Right? So 4 units is 976. 1 unit is 244. So question, what is the total number of students in the school? Total number of students in school is 14 units. 9 plus 5, 14. You can see 14 units. So 14 times U, we found out that U is 244. So 14 times U is 3416. Okay, 14 times 244 is 3416. Next. At the fun fair, the number of adults is 29 of the number of children. Of the number of children. Relationship to the number of children. Adult is 2. Children is 9. Okay? Not to the total. Right? In fraction, out of this total of people is 2 out of 11. 9 out of 11. But the relationship between adults and children is, the adults is 2 out of 9. You can see 2, right, which is corresponding to this 2 out of 9. That is what you must get it right the first time. Alright, now there were 3, 4, 6, 5 fewer adults than children. This is children, this is adult, this is the difference. Difference 7 units. Can you see? Difference 7 units. You can find 1 unit. Okay, but over here, just now I mentioned this. Why is there 11 units? If you put it into fraction, okay, not into fraction, sorry, into units itself, please take note that the total number of units is 11 because adults occupy 2, 1, 2, children 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is the total. This part here is the difference is 7 units, which is 3, 4, 6, 5. So 7 units is 3, 4, 6, 5. 1 unit is 4, 9, 5. What is the question? How many people were there at the fun fair? I have found 1 unit, which is 4, 9, 5. Total number of people in the unit, in the fun fair, 11. So it is 11 times 495. This is the total number of people, adults and children, in the fun fair. Now B, how many boys were there at the fun fair? Okay, over here it says the number of girls was 1/4 of the number of boys. It means this. Okay, look here. It means this. Girls is 1/4. Can you see? 1/4 of this. Okay, right? Girls is 1/4 of boys. The difference is 3 units. Girls is 1 unit. Boys is 4 units. Now, before you understand this, after understanding this, before you continue to calculate, please find out the number of children. Okay, the number of children is actually, look here, 9 units. Okay, right, children, 9 units times 495. Okay, so 9 units times 495 is 4455. So the number of children is 4455, which I'm going to put here. Remember, 4455 is by itself is 5 units. It represents 5 units. represents girl 1 unit, boys 4 unit. Okay, not girls 1 unit, boys 3 units. Wrong. It is 1, 4. 1/4 of boys. So there are 5 units over here. 5 units 4, 4, 5, 5. 1 unit is 8, 9, 1. So question is to ask to find boys. 4 units, can you see 4 units, right? 8, 9, 1. 4 units, 8, 9, 1. Take 4 times 8, 9, 1. 3, 5, 6, 4 boys. Okay. Notice that this 1 unit here dealing with children is different from the 1 unit over here dealing with everybody. Okay. 495, this 1 unit is different from this 1 unit over here. Alright, this 1 unit over here deals with the girls and the boys. Next. Now a sack of flour was poured into 3 different containers. Okay, A, B, and C. The amount of flour in container B was 1/8 more than the amount of flour in container A. Compare, look here. Look at the black line. This is not counted. This is just to show you the difference. Now this is actually has the weight here. Right? Now it shows you B is 1/8 more than A. This is the difference, 1/8. Now, after that, but 3/5 less than the amount of flour in C. B, okay, which is 3/5 less than C over here. Alright, so A plus B plus C is 7 kg. Now take a look very carefully. 7 kg is actually made up of A, B, C, right? Now we can reinterpret this, okay, or represent this, that inside 7 kg there are 3 U's. Can you see? 3 of this same amount of kgs here. We just put 3 U's. There are 2 1/8. Don't include this. This is just the difference on top. This one 1/8 1/8. Put 2 1/8 and 1 3/5. Okay, 3U plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/5 is 7. Alright, now if you work it out, pause here, you see for yourself how I work out. Okay, after working out over this part, it says 3U is 123/20. 3U is 123/20. Important thing to find out is 1U. 1U, after you work out, pause the video to find out how you do it. 1U is 1/20 kg. Tough, huh? But get used to this, right? Now next, B. Alright, if it says find out something, right? Find the weight of container B. Container B is U plus 1/8. That's what you need to find out. First, you found out U, right? U is how many? U is 1/20. Okay, but for B is U plus 1/8. So it is 1/20, which is U plus 1/8. You get this answer. That is the answer required. Next. A box contained red, blue, green pens. 3 boys counted the numbers and they state this. Now this is interesting. You need to know. Your teachers might have taught you certain tricks, but first understand. Red pen, what Ali said, red pen and blue pen is 195. Bob says green pen and blue pen is 300. Alright, plus together. Kelvin says the ratio of red pen and green pen is 5:12. Okay, the question asked is what is the ratio of the number of red pens to the number of blue pens? Now it just simply means you must find the numbers of each of them. You must find the number of red, green, blue, then you can get the ratio. Right, now this special attention over here, your teacher might have taught you this. Now take this equation. Can you see there's a common b here, b and b? Right, this equation add together is 300. This equation add together is 195. Now this is the bigger equation, right? Bigger total. Now put this bigger total on top, okay, on top here, and the smaller total at the bottom. Now take G minus R, which is GR, B minus B, this is 0, okay? 300 minus 195, you get this. Can you see? G minus R, you get this. B minus B over here, alright, and this. Of course, the equal sign over here. Now, so you actually have the equation G minus R plus B minus B is 0. So G minus R plus 0, there's nothing here, is 300 minus 195. So your teacher would have taught this special way of dealing with this equation. So you get G green pen minus red pen, okay, is 105. Alright, this also means that the difference between G and R is, okay, 105. Take note of this, very important. 105 is the difference between G, alright, and R. So, and what is important and what's interesting is, let's take a look, the relation between over here R and G. Can you see? G and R, which is same as R and G, right? G and R. The relationship is 5:12. Let's take a look on top what the question says. Can you see? 5:12, right? Okay, it means green pen there are 12 parts, red pen there are 5 parts, and their difference is 105. If you see 105, you find the difference is 7U. Can you see things are getting more interesting? 7U is 105. Okay, G and R is the difference between G and R. G minus R is 7U, is also 105. So we have 7U is 105, 1U is 15. Now you can find the number of red, blue, green pen. So 1U is 15. Red pen is 5U. Okay, red pen is 5U. 5 times 15, 75. You got the number for red pen. Alright. Okay, I'm going to highlight here. So red pen, we got the number already. 75. Okay, 75. Alright, you get this. Alright, divide by 15, divide by 15, you get the number here. Alright. Now green is 12U over here. 12U, right, divide, times 15. Times 15 is 180, and you get here 180. And the next one is blue. 300 minus green gives you this. Can you see? I'm going to show you up here. Can you see? 300 minus green gives you blue. 300 minus green gives you blue. Look here. So 300 minus green, which is 180, gives you blue, 120. So you have this 75, 120, 80. You divide all by 15. Right? You should get 5:8:12. A shop owner sold 15 more pens and pots and collected $1,950 from the sale of these 85 pots and pans. Each pot was sold at $5 less than each pen. How much money was collected from the sale of the pens? Now this is a typical PSLE type of question, and from P5 you must understand, alright, but you have to really get used to it and work it out. Now to find the numbers of pots or pans first, they only give you this, they manage to give you the difference, 15 more. Can you see difference? Alright, pans has 15 more than pots. 2 U's over here, but the total of pots and pans is 85. So 85 is here, 85, okay, which is this 15 and 2U. Now 2U you put over here, 15 you put over here. 2U plus 15 gives you 85. 2U plus 15 gives you 85. You do the equation. Find 2U. 2U is 85 minus 15. 2U is 70. U is 70 divided by 2, which is 35. It means this part is 35. This part is also 35. Right? The number of pans is 35 plus 15. The number of pots is 35. Right? Both of them gives you 85. That is the number first. Right? Now you talk about, next is you talk about, there's an amount of money difference of $5 for each pot and each pan. Okay? Let's move on. So U is 35, pots is 35, pans is U plus 15, which is 50. Right? So out of 85, sorry, the pans, the number of pans sold is 50, number of pots sold is 35. Now, the next step is this, interesting, this $5 here, each pot was sold at $5 less than each pan. Now, this is about numbers. You have the next model. This next model is about cost. So you call that the cost relationship. Now, the numbers are found out, total 85, but the cost relationship is this way. It shows that one pan is $5 more than one pot. Okay? And since there are 50 pans sold, you put, okay, this whole thing times 50. 50 times U, 50 times 5. For pots sold, they're 35. Therefore, you put 35 times U. 35 times U. Okay? Now, this whole thing is the money received. Alright? 50 pans and 35 pots. Okay, with this money here. Alright? Now, let's take a look. We continue to find out. 50U, you put over here. Can you see slowly here? 50U, this part, put over here. And 35U, put over here. 50U, 35U, put over here. Now, these two U's, total is 85U. Can you see? Right, now let's deal with the money. This part is the money. 50 pence, it means this part $5 more. You got to take 50 times $5, gives you $250. Alright, this is the money part. This is the number of units, okay, times the money. Now, the total is 1950. You bring this 250 over to this side. You can see? So it is 1950 minus 250, which is 85U. So 85U is 1700. Find U. U is 1700 divided by 85, which is $20. It means here this U is $20. One pan is $20 plus 5. One pan is $25. One pot is here $20. By itself $20. Okay, So this 20 here times 35 plus this 20 here times 50 plus this amount 5 times 50, all these you times properly, you will get 1950. So you see, 1 pen is U plus 5, which is 20 plus 5. See, 20 plus 5 is 25. So the question is, how much money collected from the sale of pens? Okay, now the sale of pen, there are 50. We are not talking about pots already. Now the question asks, there are 50 pens. Okay, now here, it means 50 times $20 plus 50 times $5, or 50 times $25 will give you the amount of money received for pens. Can you see? 1 pen is $25. How do you know? Here, 20 plus 5, $25 1 pen. So if it's 50 pens, then it's 50 times $25, which is 1250. Alright? You have to pause this video and look at the working and understand yourself. Alright? Now number 16, Dan bought some stickers and gave 4/5 of them to Mina and Jane. Look here. This is the amount of sticker he bought at first. Very carefully here. This is the amount of sticker he bought at first. Alright, now 4/5 is here. 1, this MJ here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is given away. This small part is given to Mina. This one small part and 3 units here is given to Jane. Okay, now how do I know this? Now, one by one. He then had 25 more stickers than Mina. Okay, let's draw this thing. I take this first, whatever Daniel has left after giving this part to Jane and Mina. Okay, whatever Dan has left, I put Dan here first. Now we take Dan compared to Mina. Dan has 25 more than Mina. Alright, so you must draw the Mina boxes here. Dan is bigger, and this part is 25. Can you see? When you go up the magic line, you go up here. This small little Jane part is also 25. So Mina is this part. Okay, right? And the difference is 25, which is also part of Jane's. Can you see? Okay. Now Jane is like this, 25 plus 1 unit plus 2 unit plus 3 unit. Alright? But for Mina, it's actually 1 unit. Can you see this whole 1 unit minus 25. Right? Let's take a look here. How do we find Mina? 1 unit minus 25. This 1 unit is actually 10. Alright? Difference between 10 and Mina is 25. So 1 unit, 1 U minus 25 gives you Mina. Alright? This is how you are going to find Mina. Alright? Then how do you find Dan? Dan is this U. Okay? Now let's take a look at something else over here. It says that, how do I get 1, 2, 3 and this small part? It is actually the reverse. I take this 1, 2, 3, the full units, I put at the bottom here. So I can compare 1 unit, 2, 3. 3 units and this 25 here, the small one. You can see? 3 units, 2, 3 and the 25. I just bring it down, 1, 2, 3 and 25. Now the question says, Mina, okay, is 25 less than Dan, but Jane had 107 more than Dan. Look here. Now let us compare Jane, okay, and Dan. What is the difference? This is the same, right? Same unit, right? But Jane has 1 unit, 2 unit and 25 more than 10. You can see 1 unit, 2 unit and 25 more than 10. Now, they say that this 2 units here and 25 is 107. All the way is 107. This is given, right? Can you see? 107. Now this 107 consists of 25 and 2 units. Now you can verify 2 units. Now take a look. 2 units, 1, 2, plus 25, which is this one, gives you 107. You can see? This whole thing is 107. Now, take 107 minus 25 first. Minus this 25 is 2 units. 2 units is 107 minus 25. 2 units is 82. 1 unit is 41. It means here, look very carefully. This is 41, 41, 41. That is 41. Now, Mina is what? 41 minus 25. Look here. 41 minus 25. Okay. 41 minus 25. Just hang on first. This should not be here. Okay. 41 minus 25. And if you scroll down, you can find actually what is the question. Let's take a look at the question. Express Mina's stickers as a fraction of Jane's stickers in its simplest form. The first question is, how many stickers did Dan buy? Okay. Dan bought at first, how many stickers here? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dan bought 5 units. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 times 41. Okay. So Dan originally bought 5 times 41. Okay. 5 times 41. You see? We found out that 1 unit is 41. Can you see? Right? 41, 41, 41, 41, 41. 5 times 41, which is 2057 he bought. Okay. After giving 4/5, okay, we can find Mina's. Mina's is 1 unit, 41 minus 25. Can you see? Mina is 1 unit, 1 unit, which is here 1 unit, same as this. 41 minus 25 gives you M, which gives you 16. Mina is 16, and Jane is 3 times 41. Look here. Jane is 41, 41, 41. Means 3 times 41 plus 25. Okay? Right? So 3 times 41 plus 25. 3 times 41 plus 25 is 148. So the question they ask is, what is the fraction for Mina and Jane? So it's 16 over 48. 16 over, sorry, 148. 16 over 148. If you divide everything, you should get 437. Okay. Now one thing you need to apologize for this. Ignore this calculation over here. Ignore this few calculation. They are not right. Alright. There are some other numbers. Just ignore this calculation. Right. Let's carry on. A few more questions here. Now this is quite tough. Let's take a look. The diagram below shows a right angle triangle. Now this is 8. The longer part is 8. The shorter part is 6. You need to find this part. Why do we need to find this part? Because when Kai put around all the shapes and put around shape like this, there is this part here called X. Can you see? The long part called X we need to find. Why? Because we need to find the perimeter. Can you see? We know that this is 2, right? 8, this is 6 plus 2, 8, 6, right? But we do not know this part. Can you see? 8, 6, but don't know this part. Now we need to find this part. Now, there are different ways of finding. First, if you have learned the Pythagoras theorem, Your teacher will teach you somehow later on. You will use Pythagoras theorem to find this part. Alright, okay, then you should be able to find this straight away. However, the other method which you need to know is, if you put these four triangles together, there's a space over here. To form this whole thing, to form this whole square using this triangle with one empty space here, this whole thing, alright, we have to take area of A plus area of B plus area of C plus area of D and area of E, then we get something. Now, let us find out A, B, C, D. Now, please note that A, B, C, D are of the same size. And E, how do I know E? How do I know the size of E? E is a square and it's 2 times 2. How do I know? Can you see? This is 8, right? This is 6. This is 8, this is 6. So this is 6, this one must be 2. Now, this whole thing over here, let us see what is the area of this whole thing, including E here. Now, this triangle plus 1 square E makes up the area of this whole thing. Next, all areas of 4 triangles are of the same size. Okay, they are the same, A, B, C, D. If I find A, I should be able to take times 4 and I get the area of this, all the 4 triangles. Alright, so I find 1, 24. Okay, one of the areas, one of the triangles is 24, and the square itself is 2 times 2, okay, which is 4. Now, not finished yet. Area of figure 1. Area of figure 1 is this whole thing. It is this 4 triangle and this E, right? So the 4 triangle, which is one triangle, is 24. 24 times 4 plus 4 gives you 100 cm square. Now take a look. 100 cm square, if the whole figure is a square, what are the two sides that times together gives you 100? 10, right? It means x is 10 cm. 10 cm times 10 cm. Now we found x. And where actually x is? Take a look. X is here. This is the long part. The hypotenuse, the long part between 6 and 8. Can you see? 8, 6, this is x. X is 10. Now we have here, x is 10. So to find the perimeter, we can say 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2. So we have it. To find perimeter, is there are 4 x's, means 4 tens, and the 8 cm here. You can see 4x means, okay, 4 times 10 and 4 twos, right? 4x, 4 times 10, 4 twos is 8, so it's 48 cm. The perimeter of figure 2, the perimeter of figure 2 is 48 cm, where the yellow lines are. Alright, first I find this part. How do I find this part? I find out the area of this whole thing, which is 100 cm square for the square here, right? And the what times what gives you 100 cm? The sides of the square, which is 10 and 10. I hope this is the last one. Now, 4/7 of the eggs of the store are small eggs, and the rest are medium and large. The ratio of the number of medium eggs to the number of large eggs is 2:7. There are 570 small and large eggs altogether. How many eggs are there at the store altogether? Each medium egg is sold at this. How much money can be collected from the sale of the medium egg? Okay, let's go step by step. 4/7 of the egg at the store are small eggs. Okay, look here. Out of 7 parts, 4 parts, okay, out of 7, these 4 parts here are small. These 3 parts, okay, these 3 parts are large and medium add together. right? How many there are, we do not know, but when we know that it's add together, there are 3 parts, and this one is 4 parts. You see, 4 out of 7 are small egg, the rest which is 3 out of 7 are large and medium egg. So look at this, this is important. Now, the large and medium egg, the ratio is this, 2:7. Now when you have 2:7, these are actually talking about denominator of 9. 9 parts. Okay? 9 parts. Your teacher would have taught you this. So look at this 3 square. 1, 2, 3. These 3 square actually this 1, 2, 3. They consist, everything here consists large and medium. Now how do you know the parts? Okay, now over here 2:7 means a common denominator of 9 parts. So I must make sure that these 3 boxes are subdivided again to get a total of 9. So 3 divided by 3, now 3 here, you each one of them divided by 3 again and 3 again, you get total of 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Okay, so 2 parts here is medium. How do you know? Look here, medium is 2, large is 7. So medium is 2 small parts here, large is 7 parts out of these 3 boxes. Can you see? This large and medium egg over here has been re-divided into 9 parts. 2 are medium, 7 are large. Now getting easier, huh? Okay, let's get it down. Now the same thing happens over here. I'm going to bring the small egg here, 4 parts. 4 parts, huh? I'm going to bring down below this. Can you see? So the small egg are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this top part, okay, 2 medium, 7 parts large. But the small part are these. At first was 4 big boxes, right? 2, 3, 4. We must follow the common denominator, okay, of dividing each one of this. Okay, follow this one, huh? This one into 3 parts. 1 box we must follow, divide into 3 parts. 1 box divide into 3 parts, 1 box divide into 3 parts, and the last box was 3 parts. So that we can compare, and again we can work on proportion. Okay, so take a look. The small one, which is 4/7, it is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 parts now. Okay, and this one 9 parts. Okay, now it has become small little parts, 12 parts. Okay, so 2 parts, 7 parts, 12 parts. Further divide, okay, for better understanding. So question A, total units. You can see how many are there on the store together. Store altogether, total units, look here. Total units is 21 units. How do you know? 12 parts plus 7, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 2 plus 7 plus 12 is 21. Okay, now let's take a look. Is there any number given? Look at this part over here. Look at this part, huh? Okay, I'm going to find out where 570 is. There are 570 small and large eggs. Okay, look here very carefully. Small eggs here. Okay, small egg plus large eggs, they are 570. 7 parts, 12 parts, they are 570. See, 7 part plus 12 parts, small and large eggs makes up 19 units, 19 parts. Okay, they are 570. Now this is the clue given, that all these small little parts here, total, if they are 19 of them gives you 570. Now we find 1 unit, which is 30. Okay, so what is the question again? Total number of eggs is there are 21 units. Okay, 21 units from here, 2 plus 7 plus 12, okay, which is 21. All this, 1 unit is 30, 30, 30, including this 30, 30, 30, all the way. 21 times 30 is 360 eggs, right? 360 eggs, 12 parts small, 7 parts large, medium 2 parts. Total 630 eggs. Now next, we are talking about medium now. Medium, there are 2 parts only. Medium 2 parts, 1 part is 30, 1 part is 30, 2 parts is 60 eggs. So how much if you sell each one for 20 cents? So you take 60 times 20 cents, $12 for the medium eggs. You collected $12 when you sell medium eggs. Alright, medium eggs are only 2 parts, 1 part is 30, total of 60 eggs. Okay, that's all. It's quite tiring for me to explain too slow or too fast. So please just rewind the video and watch over and over again.